Hi, welcome everyone to D-Don Kitchen. Today, guys, D-Don is back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. Guess what, guys? This is new on the market, breadfruit punch. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. This is some old milk. I'm gonna use some Dragon Stout, some sweet milk, a pinch of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of the ginger juice in it. Or you can use the ginger powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Breadfruit punch is just the same as like you're making your carrot juice and you put your little spice in it to spice it up. No different. And the star of the show is the roast breadfruit. So here I have a piece of roast breadfruit. This is half. So just gonna cut it in two like this and take out the core, or we refer to it as the heart. You want to remove this from it. So this is 1/4 of the roasted breadfruit. So you're just gonna break it up in the NutriBullet. I like to use freshly grated nutmeg, so when I'm making juice, so you just grate the nutmeg. Put your nutmeg in. This is the old milk. You're gonna pour the milk in. Guys, please remember to thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe to D-Don channel. Hit the notification bell so when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first to know. Or ginger juice, or you can use the ginger powder, just like 1/4 teaspoon as I told you. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. And the Dragon Stout. You want to put in your sweet milk, or you can use honey, or you can use sugar. I'm just going in with just 1 spoon of the sweet milk. Also, if you want, you can always add a pinch of salt. If you're wondering how the breadfruit is roasted, I already done a video how to roast the breadfruit. So breadfruit is a lot now in season, so nothing go to waste. So now our punch is finished. You can even use a boiled breadfruit. You can use a ripe breadfruit and make the punch. Look at this, guys. So now we're gonna pour it out. So guys, our breadfruit punch is now ready and ready for drinking. Here I'm just gonna pour some out. Look how thick it is looking. Very thick and creamy, so refreshing. So guys, give it a try. You can always put what you want to sweeten it. You can add more milk, you can add a little honey, sugar, whatever to bring it to your likeness. And this is so nutritious. It's looking just like some soursop juice. Very refreshing for the summer, and breadfruit is now in season, so I already roast the breadfruit. If you're wondering how the breadfruit roast, I roast the breadfruit, I bake the breadfruit. You can use even the boiled breadfruit to make the juice. And this juice is so nutritious, guys. Give it a try. I love you all. One love. Stay safe. Until next time, thank you for watching D Dawn Kitchen.